Okay, hello everyone. Welcome to my YouTube channel Track to Learn. So today I'm going to show you how to remove a background from an image using Photoshop. So for this, firstly we have to drag two photos. So let's drag these two photos to the Photoshop. Okay, these are the two photos. So I'm going to replace this photo, this image as a background in this image. So I'm going to change the background of the man taking the photo. So for this we have to first select the quick selection tool. This is the quick selection tool, and select those area of the background whichever you want to remove. So as I'm going to remove the background of the man taking the photo, so I will remove I will select those part of the background which I'm going to delete it, or which I'm going to replace it. Now for deselecting the area, you have to click Alt on your keyboard and just deselect the area. And for selecting is simple as just click it over it. Deselecting denotes by this minus symbol, and selecting part denotes by plus symbol, that is circle plus within a circle or minus within a circle. So basically just select those area of the background which you are going to replace with another image. Okay, this background, it's almost complete. Finishing. There are some parts in fingers, so for this we have to zoom. For zooming, the zoom lens and zoom, then again the quick selection tool and select those areas within the fingers, these areas, and yes, that part also we have to deselect it. The mobile part also, otherwise when we are going to press the delete button, this selected part of some part of the mobile will also get deleted, so we have to deselect it. This corner edge. Okay, now this part, and the last, this. Okay, that's some, we have to select it. Okay, and I guess complete. Yeah, it's completely selected. Yes, so now I'm going to delete the area. So for deleting it, before deleting it, you have to open the lock, just click over the lock and click delete on your keyboard. See, it's deleted. Now we can replace whatever image in the background we want. So I'm going to use this image, so firstly move tool, that is a move tool, and we have to remove the lock so that we can drag it. So just drag the image to the background and drop it, and see, now we have to change the layer order. So as the background is in the background and it's look like the image, the person is in behind the background, in front of the background. So just adjust now adjust the background. This adjustment is totally up to you, how you would like to adjust the zoom and all. It's totally up to you. I think this is fit for my this picture, a little bit more above Yeah, it's perfect. Yeah, it's perfect. Now we have to select the mask. So for that mask, and if it's white over there, it should be black. Now select the paintbrush tool and just stroke over the edges of the image. Yeah, make sure the layer which you are masking, it should be of the man, not the background one. And this whole thing shows a history. That is a history plate. So you can change it from there, or you can change it from the layers one. So here I've done the correction, and now select the edges, and please remember to keep the hardness as 0, because it will give a nice texture. If it's the hardness is 100%, it will totally delete the area. So now again brush tool and stroke just politely over the side of the photo, so that it's not totally, but it camouflages with the or mixes with the background. So this adjustment is totally up to you, how you will adjust with the photo so that the photo looks, it's actually there's 2 photos only, and it has been not been edited. So it's basically hit and trial method, you can say. Just I'm removing this white lines from the image. Now you can see that the hand looks perfect with the background image. Same here. This thing you have to keep on doing until unless you find that your image is perfectly mixed with the background. See, now it's almost looking like it's an original photo. So we can reduce the opacity a little bit, but remember you are reducing the opacity of the man and not the background. We can reduce it about 95 or 96. 95, yeah, it should be better. 94, it's 96. Yeah, 96 is fine. So you can see that it's almost mixes with the background image. And just we have to adjust a little bit of the background. We can see the white areas have been come out. And just hit OK. And this is how it is done. This is how it is done, and finally we have to save it. So file and save it wherever you want. You can save it in the PSD file, you can save in JPG, PDF, PNG, whatever format you want. So you can just click the save button over there at the below, or you can cancel it if you want to do some edits. So thank you for watching. If you have liked my video, please hit the like button, do subscribe and comment down below, as well as share it. Thank you for watching, and bye bye.